Hello, how to generate serial numbers or other series in Excel. I'm just going to add SN and I want to count from 1 down. So what I need to do is to click this and I come over to here. At the top here you can see I'm under home, then under the tabs I'm under editing here. So I'm going to come into fill. Now click this and then I'm going to click on series. Now it's asking me whether it's in columns or rows, and of course it's the column that I want is already selected. Linear step value is 1, so for each value I want it to increase by 1. Now stop value, where should I stop? Let's say I want to stop this at let's say 100. Let me click OK. That is it. I have automatically generated, but what really happened, it stopped here because that's where I selected this. All right, so let's say I want something else. Let's say I want just 1 to 100. I can click here, type my 1, just hold it, come back to this place and I'll click fill, click the drop down, click on series, and I'll still leave it at step value 1, but I want to end at 100. All right, I just want to end at anywhere it gets to 100. I click OK. Oh, my bad. Let me see what happened. Click this and I went to fill, series. Oh, I left it at rows. And that's why I have horizontally. Okay, so I can still maintain here, come over to fill, I'll click on series, and now I'll click on column, leave it at 100. When I do this, now I have 1, 2 all the way to 100 in a column, and I have 1, 2 all the way to 100. All right, so basically that's how you can do that. So from this, we can use this to do more. We can do more, whatever you want to do. If you want to fill this and series, you want to do, let's keep it at columns, and you want to do 2, so per step 2, and we want 100. I click OK. Now you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 all the way to 100. So this is how you can fill in an Excel sheet with auto-generated series of data. If you like this video and you find it helpful, please hit on that like button so that more people can find it, and of course subscribe to the channel. That will bring a whole lot of joy to my heart, and of course you'll see more of my content. And please don't forget to drop that comment. Let me know what I got right or what I did wrong. It will really help me to improve on my videos. Thank you so much for watching Anatu Tech here. Follow me on social media at Anatu Tech. See you on the next one. Namaste.